All right, so I got the first 2 nails out using the ripper. This is what I feared was gonna happen. So we were able to hook the nail, pull it all the way through, but along with it came the cedar felt. There's no other way of getting that nail out properly, or really any way at all, period, without this. This is basically the most pleasant way of doing it. This cedar felt is a horizontal row of felt that runs right on the nails, and it runs across the entire row horizontally. So now that it's ripped, it's impossible to patch that in. This waterproofing system is completely compromised. So we're gonna have to, at bare minimum, replace these 2 rows all the way across, and that's assuming it doesn't happen again on the row above it. So far we've noticed that. Also, these shakes are not able to, take our tools easy. So these 2 above it, or 2 below it, are completely totaled. We're gonna need to replace the 2 below it. Just moving our ripper back and forth, there's no way to prevent this. If the shake was in, a more repairable state, this wouldn't happen. I have done hundreds of shake repairs where this doesn't happen. So far that's what we got. I'm gonna hand the phone back to the cameraman. Here, ready? Maybe this is only have, it's got 1 point.
Well, there was supposed to be
Oh shoot. All right, we're good. All right, so I got the shake out. As you can see, had 4 fastening points. This is a 1/2 inch red label. Couple points to note on the shake itself. These nails, every single one of them except for 1, pulled through. So this is really important, because the only way you can repair this semi properly is by installing this exposed slightly low, nailing it with exposed fasteners, and then tapping the bottom of this up to hide those fasteners. With that being said, you're gonna lose the 2nd row of nails. The only way you could get these nails in is to face nail these 2 shakes right here. If you look at this entire roof, there's not a single face nail on it. If the roof was covered in face nails, I'd deem that acceptable, but that becomes a permanent maintenance item for the homeowner. Exposed fasteners do leak, so we can't do that. And then getting back to that felt point, you can see a massive hole in the felt right there. So the waterproofing system is completely compromised. So at this point, what we're gonna do, we're gonna reinstall this shake, just assess if there's any more damage. But at this point, I'd already say this shake's not repairable because this waterproofing system is gonna get compromised on every row. Obviously the two below it just aren't sturdy enough to, you know, hold up to our tools being used in the proper way on them. And we're having splits where the fasteners are, so that kind of speaks to the pliability of these. When I go to install these two nails, what it's gonna do when I go to drive those nails up, it's gonna rip these. It's gonna rip these two shakes, so it's gonna put two vertical cracks in these as well. So I'll pass the phone back to the cameraman now. Ready?
Recording.
So we're all done. Here's the shake I did the repair on right here. You can see that when I went to go drive those up, it cracked the top one on both sides. So it definitely cracked the shakes underneath. We already needed to replace these anyway, because I mean, look at them. And then obviously the ones above, we're gonna have an issue with the felt. These entire rows need to be replaced. And then that's just gonna be a chain reaction up the entire slope. So again, Nick Washenko Roofing here at 1241 Lamplighter. Please call us with any questions. This is a failed repair. Thank you.